Arrive in style with this 2009 GMC Sierra 1500 SLT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: power lumbar seat, S, intermittent wipers, door pocket, S, auxiliary transmission oil cooler, auto headlight on-off, center console, trip computer, and multi-function steering wheel. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.